Hey guys, we're going to take a minute and walk through the installation of Ohlins' new fork kit for the Kawasaki Z125 Pro. This process is pretty straightforward. The biggest thing, take your time, read the instructions, kind of the standard fare. We're going to remove the front fender, get the front brake out of the way, and prepare to remove a fork. For the purpose of this video, we're just going to do the right fork, which is the rebound fork. Compression is the left fork, although the installation procedure is identical between the two. First, we'll remove the set screw in the fork foot. Remove the rubber plug and loosen the stock fork cap. Loosen the safety ring by removing the set screw. We'll now drain the stock suspension fluid. Using the fork tool, we'll remove the cap from the rod. The rubber bumper is crimped in 4 spots. We'll use a small pick or screwdriver to go around and open these tabs up. Once the 4 tabs are free, we'll use a deep well socket to pop the rubber bumper down. Driving the bumper down exposes a snap ring. We will remove it. If you caused any burrs when prying open the 4 ears on the bumper, now's a good time to clean those up. At this point, the bumper should be really easy to remove. We'll start to heat the foot to release the locking agent in the threads. Note this will take a lot longer and a lot more heat than you think. Find a goofy looking dude to stare at you and use the stock axle to remove the foot. Remove the stock spring, the rod, and the top out spring. Here's what's going back in: the Ohlins spacer, the Ohlins spring, the Ohlins rod, the stock top out spring, stock rubber bumper, stock circlip, Ohlins top cap. Put the top out spring onto the rod and insert into the fork. We'll follow that with the spring and spacer. Thoroughly inspect and clean all threads on the stanchion as well as the fork foot. We'll reinstall the foot using red Loctite. We'll now reinstall the stock rubber bumper and snap ring. Using blue Loctite, install the new Ohlins cap onto the rod. We'll now fill the fork with 200 milliliters of Ohlins suspension fluid. Be aware you may need to pump and bleed the fork for several minutes to get all 200 milliliters of oil into the fork. Tighten the fork cap and it's ready to reinstall on the bike. These kits are in stock and always priced right. Please come see us at mnnthbx.com.
Yeah, man, I'll tell you what, that dang old internet, man, you just go on there and point and click, 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 click. It's real easy, man.